Alright, this is part 2 from basic maintenance tips from CC Specialty Tools. You can find everything you see tonight online at ccspecialtytools.com. But anyway, we're going over some quick maintenance tips on keeping your motor up. Again, like I've noted before, I showed you in the other video the SRC, SRMC, the TXMC motors, and this is an old RMC that you'll see in a lot of videos. The maintenance on all of these is exactly the same. One thing I want to go over is a very important step when doing the maintenance on this. That's taking a little pressurized air here and just blowing out. Can you see that good? Mm-hmm. The armature. Keeping that nice and clean. Very easy step, but it's important because it keeps all any debris, any buildup from those brushes being worn down. It keeps all that out there. Easy, quick maintenance step. You can do it from the bottom to it. That keeps it cleaned out. It's important to do that every so often after so many hours of use. Same thing with foot muffs. Keep that all cleaned out. The reason is, as you're working, little metal chips will get down and they'll get on everything. You can ask, like, we get it all over stuff here when we're working. And keeps those cleaned out, keeps it from shorting out your electronics in here, shorting anything out of there. Keeps them nice and clean. Now, I've had a few people ask me about how these compare to pneumatics and Dremels and stuff like that. Let me go ahead and sum it up. This isn't going to get hot on you. This isn't going to burn up. We have a couple companies that run these in machines literally for 12 to 16 hours straight. They do fine. Your hand's going to give out a long time before this motor gives out, okay? This one is close to 20 years old, still running fine. Some of the ones you'll see in some of the videos on here about porting, same situation. 20, 30 years old and they're still running great. So you take care of them, they'll take care of you. You got a lot more torque and power down low than you would have with pneumatics, and you have just about everything better than you would with a Dremel or some material like that. On the other one, when I was showing you how to adjust the tip, I showed you this part here, how to keep that out about 3/4 of an inch long. What you might not have seen is what I was pulling to adjust that, and that was just this little set screw that I went over at the first of the video. This little set screw right here, all you do is unscrew that, and it allows you to move this sheath in and out and adjust the length there. And that's really all you got to do. It's pretty easy. You want about 3/4 out, so that little keyway tip will match up good in your hand tools. That little keyway tip fits in right into the bottom of here. I'll show you a little trick we learned. You'll give it a little bit of RPMs. It'll let it snap in a little bit easier than trying to force it on there. Just an easy, quick tip. Hand tools, another thing, it never hurts to run a little pneumatic pressure. Keep those cleaned out. That's what we mainly use compressed air for around here, is cleaning out our professional grade porting tools. But yeah, that's about it on some quick maintenance tips to help you out to keep stuff running better when you purchase these tools. They'll last you a lifetime.